Welcome back, everybody. We are on box number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excuse me. The case I'm opening, there's 24 boxes total. And at this point, we are just trying to see what signatures we get per box. So a quick reminder, there's 44 commons, 22 rares, 10 SRs, 6 URs, 2 leaders, and then we got a ton of various sign cards. Each box has 24 packs. We got a lot. Out of all these packs, there'll be 1 leader, 1 UR, and at least 1 sign card. And a few SRs, and the rest are rares and commons. So if you want to see me go a little bit slower on opening these packs, you can check out the first video, which has boxes 1 through 4. So you can see the commons. I will attempt to open these up quicker this time. I think the first video was 40 minutes, so I'm trying to cut that time down, especially since we're just looking for a few cards. And then when I'm all done, I'll have a wrap-up video basically explaining what's in a case. Excuse me. Usually when you're opening up a box of these, I've noticed out of these 24 packs here, there's either 7 or 8 packs that are SRs or better. And then every pack has at least a rare in it. And there's actually one pack that always has 2 rares in it. So that's another kind of unique and a little bit weird thing, but I look for that now. Alright, let's get started. One sec, I'm trying to move my mic. There we go. Show some of the commons real quick again. Not too many. So we'll put that there, put that there. Here's commons. Got a rare. We got our leader. There's only 2 of those total. Got a rare. We got another rare. Rare again. Another rare. Rare. All right, so there's our double rare pack, or right there. You can see both of them are rares. Got 2. So far I've opened up 5 boxes, and all 5 had 1 pack that was like that. And that was consistent with some of the other Nivel Arena sets. Got our first SR. Rare. And we've got a UR. I don't think I have this one yet. I do not remember a purplish blue. Ooh, that's a good one. That's really good. I love that character. I do not believe I had that one. Rare. Oh yeah, it's gonna go a lot quicker. Definitely not 40 minutes. All right, SR. I like that one a lot. It's one I want to get signed. That was in SR, by the way. So that was our third SR. I'm going to cut this back that well. There we go. SR. Still need a signature. Got 2 more packs. Oh, there it is there. SPR. Who is it? That one. And like I said in the other video, I'm not too familiar with these characters' names. I can't exactly read it too well. We will show off the SR, the SPR difference. That's our SR. It's the signed version. Kind of cool. All right, last pack. Got another SPR. Well, that's fun. So this is our second box with 2 signed cards. Who is it? Oh, that's the third time I've seen her in 5 boxes. That's okay. I just don't know how many signed cards there are, so I forgot to look that up again. Got too excited to open up more packs. There's no quick way to check on their site unless I'm not because it's in Korean, so I have to translate it to English. So as far as I can tell, there's no easy way to toggle the rarity on their checklist. All right, so this is box number 6. In that 5th box, I'll just show them real quick. We got 2 of these signed cards, the UR, and then 4 SRs, and our leader. So we got 8 that time. All right, it is past my bedtime, for my work bedtime, I should say. So I'm going to go to sleep after these next 3 boxes, and then I'll wake up in open up another, what is it, 16 more, I think it was, in the morning. And then after that case, I actually have a second one. So I'm not sure if I'm going to open that one right away. We'll see. It's always cool to get double signatures in a box. I did the math though, and you only get 6 boxes like that. But that was on the special edition for Nikkei. So I'm not sure if that's going to be true for this as well. But I'm expecting to get at least 4 more. And usually when you get a leader card signed, you usually get a second one in that box. Alright, box 6. Got these all opened. Try to go through this quick again. So got a rare. Just one moment. Just got a big stack of commons and trying to make so I don't knock it over. All right, now I'm ready. Rare. And rare. There's our leader. Rare. Rare again. Another rare. Like I said, if you want to see the commons, you can check out the first video. For here, like I said, I'm going quicker, so you'll just see the top common and the last card. Rare. Almost just mixed them up. Rare. So far we only got one hit card. There's our double pack for rares, so we got 2 there. Found that one. Another rare. SR. Oops, just put that in the wrong spot. I knew I'd do that. Rare. Got a UR. I do not think we got that one. That's cool. That moon's got a cool glow to it. And everything else, of course. I love how I noticed that. the background instead of the character. SR. Alright, so far we got 4 hits, so there should be 3 more at least, I believe. So far we haven't had a box that has only had 6 hits yet. Alright, here's our next SR. That's 5. Still looking for the signature on this one. A rare. And a rare. Last 3, and we got an SR. This is our 4th SR. And there's our signed one. SPR. Oh, this is one I have. Second one of those. Last pack. Wow, we got another signature. Wow, that's like a cool one. So we've got the UR version of that. We can compare those real quick. There's our UR here and SPR. You can tell the signed one's slightly better, but the UR is not bad either. All right. Do a quick recap on that one. This box. 2 signed, UR, leader, and 4 SR. So we got 8 again. Usually when you get 2 signed cards, I've noticed it's 8 as well. It's fun when the signed cards are on the bottom. Usually when you get in the first pack and you've opened a handful of them, you're just like, oh, I don't really want to open up the rest of these packs. It's kind of fun when it's in the middle or towards the bottom. All right. So that was kind of fun to see. We got 2 boxes in a row with 2 signatures. So we got 4 this time. All right. Got a box, or 2 boxes of Divine Cross, Last Origin, Volume 3 coming. By the end of this month or the start of next month, just depending on when I actually get them. So I'll make a video on those, and I've seen those cards and they're very spicy, so yeah. I'll actually have to look at them again online to see if YouTube will even let me upload them. They're that spicy. It was weird because Volume 0 for that was a little bit boring, and Volume 2 was really good. Volume 1 was, I guess you could say, average, And then volume 3 is just crazy. All right. Box number, what is this, 7. Starting off with a rare. Rare. And we got a leader. Of course, one of these packs didn't open. Rare. Another rare. Rare. Another rare. Same thing. Rare. Another rare. Once again. There's our first SR. Is there a double rare? It's funny, a double rare is a rarity in Weiss. We got this one. UR. I'm actually not sure if we've gotten over UR yet. Rare. Rare. Another rare. 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 Is there SR? What was our second one? Sorry, one moment. Slightly messy over here. All right. SR, that's a good one. All right, there's our SPR here. She looks cool. That's our signed one. There's our next SR, the Cowgirl. Wow, 3 boxes in a row. We got Bunny signature. So that's 4 boxes out of 7 with 2 signatures. That was interesting. So if it's like the Nikkei ones, I'm only going to have 2 more boxes in this case that are doubles. and one should be a leader. But we'll see if that's true. All right. Still got one more box to open up, and I will quickly show what we got in this one. Of course, I'm not going quickly. Trying to get these. All right, so here's our UR for this box. Leader. Sign card. Second sign card. And then SRs. That was a good one. So that's crazy. 3 boxes and 6 signatures. Wait, what am I doing? I gotta open them first. It's getting late. It is late, I should say. For me, anyways. Alright, last 24 packs for this video. All right. All right, last 24. Starting off with a rare. Another rare. SR. Another SR. Rare. Another rare. Rare. Hopefully I'm not going too quick now. There's our UR. She likes to show up lately. Leader. Rare. Rare. Another rare. Rare again. Whew, I'm getting exhausted. Rare. About 10 minutes under though from the first video. Double rare. SR. Rare. And there's our SPR. We got her again. Interesting. Can we get another one? 4 boxes in a row. Got a rare for this one. We have 5 more packs for this video. Rare. It's a fun one. SR. Rare. Rare. Last pack. And it's not anything special. We got a rare again. All right. Let's see what we got here. This one we got 7 cards. So far it's always been 7 or 8 above an SR. So signed, leader, UR, and 4 SRs. Can quickly compare that. All right. See you in the next video.